Okay, I made this buffalo chicken nachos. I seen it like on Facebook. Basically, you take a chicken that's like already cooked, and you put it in a wing sauce, and you like mix it in wing sauce, the cut up cooked chicken, and then you put it on your chips with jalapenos, and then you put the cheese on it, put it in the oven, and then when you take it out, you put sauce on the top, that hot wing sauce. Then you can put like whatever else on it, like sauce and stuff. Look, the cats in here. Of course they are. They think this stuff is for them. It's not for you. Go away. But yeah, it's what it is. Like nachos. I should have got some onions. That would have been good. I do have some salsa, but I'm not going to put that on there. The picture had like a nasty ass sour cream. I don't like sour cream. And then salsa on there. But I'm not going to do that. So next time I think I'll get onions. I could have put tomatoes on there. But yeah. I probably won't eat this all. But yeah. This is what it is. Like buffalo chicken nachos. Frank's, I put that shit on everything. Even my ice cream. No, I don't. But yeah, I also got some sriracha sauce. Yeah, yep. How many times do I say yeah? But yeah, I'm gonna try it. And stuff. I'm sure I'm gonna like it. But peace out.